So this is what I deal with at 4 o'clock in the morning. Can I have my hand back, please? You won't give it back. He's just like flicking me. It's kind of awkward. Okay. This kitten is legit the cutest thing in the world. Except for whenever he's like shoving my finger down his throat. Like he is now. Ow, you little fuckhead! Okay, seriously? You can stop now. Are you stopping? Are you stopping? Nope. Not stopping. Just because you doesn't want to. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Okay, now he goes for the other hand. Really? 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 You're such a dick. Give me my hand back. Ah, you little prick. Okay, I'm done. Bye.